Hey guys, it's Molly from the Line Dancing Queens. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial for Redneck Angel. It goes to merry-go-round, and we're doing it with a beautiful Boston background. So let's get started. It is 16 counts, 4 walls, no tags, and no restarts. So this will be at the 12 o'clock, 3, 6, and 9. So we're going to start the first 8 counts by doing a scissor step to the right. So you're going to rock out to the right, recover on your left, cross your right foot in front, and hold. Then we'll do the same thing to the left, rock out, recover on your right, cross over, and hold. Then we're going to be stepping out to the right, bump your hips at the same time. Then we're going to bump our hips to the left, and then bump your hips right again, but do a quarter turn to the 9 o'clock wall. So bump and turn, and then you'll hold for a count. Then we're going to do a coaster step to end the 8 count. So you're going to step back left, together right, and forward with your left, and hold. So let's put that together from the top. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and let's move on to the next section. So after your coaster step, we're going to be doing a lock step forward on your right. So you're going to step forward with your right foot, lock your left behind, and then step forward right again. Then we'll do the same thing on the left. So you'll step forward with your left, lock your right behind, and step forward with your left. And after each lock step, you're going to hold for a count. So it will go right, hold, left, right, left, hold. So quickly with those counts, it will be 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now, to end the dance, we're going to be doing a pivot chase turn over your left shoulder. So I'll quickly demonstrate that. You're going to be doing a right, left, right pivot turn. So it's 3 steps. So to break that down, after your left lock step, you're going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to start turning over your left shoulder, and you're going to lift your left knee up, and then place your left foot down, and then step in front with your right. But it is a very quick motion in the dance. So after the left, hold, you're going to do right, hold for a count. And then to end the dance, we're going to do a full turn over your right shoulder. And again, it is in 3 steps. So you're going to step forward with your left, start turning. You're going to step behind with your right, turn to face the 3 o'clock wall, stepping forward with your left foot, and then holding again. And then after you do the full turn, you'll go immediately back into your scissor step to the right, and then start the dance over. So with those counts, just the second half of the dance, after the coaster step, it will go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And then immediately after this, you'll go back into your scissor step right, scissor step left, hip bump, quarter turn, coaster step, lock step right, lock step left, chase turn, full turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, I hope you guys learned this dance, and it is very fun. It goes to merry-go-round. See you next time.